think it's stupid. There's no point. I mean, unless you're fucking looking to get something out of it.
No, I just want her to explain it. She didn't address anything I said.
Do you really think that that bitch is gonna explain anything?
No, I don't.
Exactly. So what is the point?
I don't know.
What the fuck is good, everybody? Damn, we really just opened and just dumped, huh? I was just looking for I was trying to look for shorts. We have a 4-hour SMT at these highs here, but my prominent draw on liquidity is like this resting low. This is like my draw for Asia session here. I really fucking wanted a retracement, but damn. Might be able to get a 4-hour gap on silver. I'm really ill, so was not joking. Discord session since last. I'm really ill. Was not joking. Discord session since. Oh, fair. That's fine, bro. Damn. But yo, guys, I really wanted to see some sort of retracement from shorts. Or for 4 shorts down to that low, but we already ran out these lows here. Sucks. Already ran out the lows. I still have a draw on liquidity to this low though. This is indices, bro. This is indices. You can see right here. I want to see silver and gold still look like they have potential to go higher. If you get a sequence out of the 4-hour gap. Yo, you trading or just yapping session? Just got here. Well, I'm not going to force a trade, and I will yap if I don't have a trade. Y'all think that I'm going to just come in here and just click the button just to entertain y'all? Fuck no. Go to Dodgy stream if you want to do that. Or go to a TikTok live stream. Go to a TikTok live stream, and you will get endless amounts of trades from inverse fair value gaps. You want trades? Go to TikTok live. I could literally open my phone right now. I could open my phone right now and literally within 2 seconds find somebody that is already in a trade on TikTok live. Let's see how long this takes. Boom. It took me 3 seconds. Already got somebody in a trade. If you want to go signal bot somebody, go on TikTok. Another one there. Someone's already in a trade. Go have a field day. Why do they get into trade so fast? Because they probably have no model whatsoever that is literally based off of nonsense. It's the same reason why you were asking me the question if I'm going to trade or if it's going to be a yap session. Your mental is clearly on the same page as every other person in the trading space that makes zero money. Hate to break it to you, buddy. But as of right now, I don't think I'm the one that sounds dumb, my friend. I think you are the one that just made a fool of yourself. Daily candle on NQ. We are between the Monday candle high and low. There is a SMT at the previous day high, Monday and Tuesday's highs between NQ and ES. We are in this like more, it's even like intermediate term time frame consolidation phase of price, but still trending lower. It's just the displacement moves that we're getting are so lackluster. It's very, very hard to trade. But this is actually very clean. Very clean down draw to this low. It's just a matter of getting into the position. That is the wonder, because all you guys can see is since we've opened up on the daily candle, we've literally just opened up and dumped. That's it. Unfortunately. I really don't. It sucks because some Asia sessions are like, most Asia sessions are not like this, where the daily candle will just open up and move on one side, and it's already delivered to a majority of the draw that I have. So I'm coming into. I feel like I'm coming into New York AM session with crumbs left over overnight. But my draw is very obvious. I know price is going to go to this low. Yeah, no, on God, like go run to TikTok live and um go go signal about them. Pure brain rot people, bro. Something that I'm monitoring on gold and silver is the SMT that we have previous daily low from Monday and Tuesday. We have silver tagging this daily bullish fair value gap. Might be able to get a sequence from a 4-hour bullish gap on here at this tag here. So this is something that I have an alert at 60 68 560. It's just a difficult situation when I'm if I'm long, I don't like being long biased on metals but short biased on indices. That's what I don't like. But I do like this though. Like my draw on liquidity for Asia session tonight is this low from AM session today. But tomorrow my draw overall is going to be this low here. I like previous day. I like the Monday low on NQ. Monday low should definitely be the draw for tomorrow, and that's if we can displace through the low. We don't manipulate it, and we actually create displacement candles towards that point in price. Another thing to also note too is we have Nvidia earnings after the bell with tomorrow's after tomorrow's close, so that will be something to keep in mind. If either we get a earnings run up prior to the close, leading into the earnings report, so that'll be interesting to see. But I want to see if maybe we can get something out of NQ down to this low here. I would like that. I really would like to see the higher gap get tagged on NQ or ES. I don't want to short this low into the range after us running these. Okay, what we got? Yeah. 4-hour gap on silver. Set your alerts at it. This looks like a great point in price. And on top of that, you got clean relative equal highs above. It is an SMT at the previous at these highs with gold, but I still expect that SMT to break, and I would like to see it continue in bullish order flow. Oh, BM, love the drop and announcement. Let them hang, bro. much love, bro. Brandon, look at silver, or look at silver, and also, do you like shorts on NQ? But again, I also I hate being reverse biased on metals and indices. Oh fuck. Hope everything's all good, bro. Hope everything's all cleared or all checked out. Is it for yourself or are you in the hospital or is it anyone else? Why I'm just tagged that 30-minute Devils mark. Ugh. Let's lock in. Lock in into it. Okay. It is an SMT with the previous 30-minute candles here on ES and NQ, but I still would like them to retrace a little bit after running these external lows. So let's see if we can get anything out of this. Well, hope everything goes well, bro. Fingers crossed. Yes, we need you in top tip shape for October, deadass. No, I didn't take any trades in the AM session. I wanted longs. I wanted longs in AM, but I got nothing. I waited for the new 4-hour candle on ES and NQ. Thought we were gonna go long from that 4-hour gap that printed at 10 a.m., but didn't give it. There were clean shorts though at the highs with NQ and ES with the SMT that was set in here. I just couldn't bring myself to long with relative equal highs or short with relative equal highs. Am I gonna do the high rocks, bro? I don't know. I don't think I have. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I have that in me, bro. I would have to train for that heavily. I'd rather lift. I'd rather pick up weights and put them down. That'll probably be in my best interest. Why have you ever done a high rocks? I don't use TTFM, but it's still a good indicator though. I have alerts also on gold at 4701.8. I'm actually very happy that we're dumping right now because I did get puts that I'm swinging overnight. This is the candle that we had that news or that Trump tweet out, which is exactly what I'm targeting. I'm hoping that the SMT fill doesn't. I'm hoping that we don't print from this. I want a little bit of a retracement. I don't want to literally short the low of the fucking day. You want to do high rocks next, Brandon, bro? I'll do it with you as doubles. You want to run that, bro? I'm down. Oh wait, hold on 1 second, guys. Oh, fuck. I was muted. My bad. Shit. Afiz, hop on Discord and look at Silver. Ooh. Okay. I want music. RIP monetization. Monetization. However the fuck you say it. Brandon, put me on. Send it. Send me a song and I'll play it for the crowd. Dude, is my mic actually that low? Yeah, bro, Bitcoin was pumping face. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still short on it. I doubt and don't think that this is the reversal off the low. I think this is a temporary pump. I still think Bitcoin goes lower. If I put my mic closer to my face, is that better? Actually, is it mic ASMR? Does this sound like anything if I do this? Or does it sound ridiculous? Bro, could you imagine? I get like random ass questions from like idiots that say, "Yo, well, actually, it's the people that have no idea what they're doing. Like, they hear me talk about trading and they're like, "Oh, you an XRP?" And then the second that they say XRP, I immediately tell them to go fuck off. It's the same people that think that XRP are gonna be $1,000 a coin. Like, how stupid could you be? Like, genuinely. It's comical. Yo, Brandon, look at this. Brandon, look at your boy. You could have inversed his shit and be up 2-0 on the night. Big more trades. Oh shit. If he's going. Yo. Oh wait. Oh damn. It shows. Why didn't it show my Discord? Oh. Yep.
I had a fire alarm in my house.
Oh fuck.
There's another one happened last week as well.
Yeah, you see Silver?
Look.
Brandon, send me a song, bro.
Looks decent actually. That's not bad.
I low-key want continuation shorts
Oh.
on indices too.
Is there an SMT film? Yeah.
No.
Oh my. Yeah, there is. We sorted, bro. You should have sorted it on gold.
I'm looking at the 4-hour gap on silver, dog.
Yeah. But we have 30-minute SMT fill.
There's no
Or even that
SMT.
4-hour high.
There's no SMT fill
Is there value, bro?
on the 30-minute. No,
With any silver cross?
no. It just dumped.
I'm checking.
I mean, 15
Yeah.
minute.
That's actually pretty. There's a clean short off the 4-hour though. Divergence of the high.
The only thing that would is the divergence at the high, but there was no sequence in a gap.
It's a T-stage PSP. It's IFA, bro. Two PM is a PSP.
Well, that's missed.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not. It's kind of a reversal from consolidation, anyways. Are you looking at long?
I'm looking at indices if I can get shorts.
Yeah, I'm not really that bearish in indices. You want yesterday's AM session low, eh?
Yeah. There's already an SMT fill inside of that 30-minute gap. I think it's just gonna go to it.
Yeah, YM's not reversing though, so.
I think that it's gonna give it up. But again, yeah. I wanted to see longs from the 4-hour on silver.
Yeah, I wouldn't short Nasdaq here because your stop is just a higher time frame gap.
I know. I wanted a bigger retracement.
And it's not like it's a Tuesday or anything, so.
No.
Although if it closes a PSP, it is.
I can't afford silver.
Real. You actually could probably short Nasdaq here at the lows. It's closing the PSP.
I know.
See that?
Yeah.
I just want to see YM reverse first. This is a better look for sure. It's when YM reverse. I'm quite bullish on YM actually.
I want to see this low. I need to see 29,138. I think Nasdaq. I think this is a very attainable draw for tonight.
Yeah, you think YM runs? I think YM runs the highs though too. Kind of.
See how this
Shoots
third
high.
line closes.
It's not a bad 30-minute sequence, you know, right?
I
Pretty
know.
short.
I would have.
Let's see what he breaks.
I would have been involved way higher though if I wanted to. If I was focusing with short.
On the 5-minute 50, yeah.
I would have been involved way higher.
He sounds like you're in a multi-million-dollar yacht voice echoing. Not, I'm chilling in my house. You would have wanted to short that 3 or 5 minutes CST if you wanted to get involved, yeah. What's your RR? Take it here.
I'm not taking it here.
Oh, what is the RR though?
If I cover
If you short-
if I uncover the invalidation,
Yeah, you could cover the bodies if there's a gap. Is there a gap in the lower time frame, like a 3 or 5 minute gap?
3 minute.
Could short the gap. YM looks like shit. Yes, also V-shaped.
I could think about taking if the 30-minute candle that closes in the next 2 minutes, shorting this 3-minute gap for the open high that 30-minute. Never mind.
You could, yeah.
Maybe. Is that risk to reward? It's actually a 1 to 2.
I just don't like my stop loss being the higher time frame gap with YM failing to reverse, but it is very close to the low. It's a 1-to-1. Oh, I guess you cover the
No,
bodies.
if I cover the bodies, it's a 1 to 2.
1.7, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's better. There's definitely better looks. It's kind of deep in the range. That 3 minutes of steal wasn't bad actually.
This is the only thing that I could think of if it even does anything.
I see YM trading back into 7 p.m.'s open, which is flat bodied, so. Or 7 p.m.'s, yeah. Flat body tops, yeah?
The 15-minute does it.
I definitely think it goes though, because it's so close to the draw.
Where is this? What is that? 27 points.
So you're gonna put a limit at the gap?
Yeah.
It's very deep in the range. That's the only thing. What I don't like is the higher time frame. Your stop loss is a higher time frame gap. But what I do like is that you have a two-stage PSP out of that 30-minute, right?
Yep.
So it's definitely a good 1-to-1 R trade.
My stop loss is tighter for a 1 to 2.
Yeah, like if you thought about the probability, it probably hits about half the time, and you have more than one R here. So stochastically, it's not bad. It's definitely better looks though, like higher in range. Let's see if you get filled even. You should get filled.
I hope I do. Brandon, send me a song, bro. I'm waiting for you.
I'd be surprised if you didn't even get filled.
I don't think I am. It's gonna fill this wick, and it's gonna. Oh my god.
You know what you can? Yeah,
Wow.
what you can do is when price opens up, bro. Like you see how price opened up that fair value gap, the candle you want to see trading the fair value gap near its close. You could just short that. It's pretty much the same entry as the gap. But you demanded more because of RR, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you honestly wouldn't want to see it come back and tag you.
Netanyahu.
Now you're hoping it doesn't come back and tag you.
If it runs out that previous 3-minute candle low, then yeah, I don't want to be in.
Keep your limit there though. Never mind.
If it runs out that 3-minute candle low, I'm canceling.
It's creating a 5-minute gap. That's also not bad. It's actually not terrible. This candle will close in like 2.5 minutes. Might create a 5-minute gap too.
Cross your nuts. Isn't it a 3-minute candle in the next 10 seconds?
It's not terrible. I actually like the 5-minute gap. That's printing.
Teach me, baby. Call my phone and if you need me.
They're not funded or just emails.
TPT evos.
Okay, fair. Those have the trailing, right?
Yep.
No, they don't. It's the fund. It's the pros that have trailing.
Yeah.
The evals. That's a weird thing how the evals do in the.
I have to
Don't
trade
fuck
these.
dude.
Dude, it takes. I have to pass them in 5 trading days.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Fucking 5, dude. Not even 3. I'm on like my what day am I on? I'm on my this will be my 3rd day.
True. No, it could give you put your limit to the gap, the 5-minute gap. You could even cover that breakaway gap then on the 5, honestly. That's decent RR, right? That's like 2.6.
I'm hoping.
That's tight stop loss though.
It's really tight.
Because that's pretty much the stop loss in that 3-minute gap then. That you want to get filled in.
Yeah.
But it's not bad, because I mean, 5-minute gap there should be where it goes from. Or just cover the bodies in the 5-minute and you still get 1.5 R. Just take 1 to 1 R, bro. That's all you need.
All right, let's bring it down to the 5.
You can still demand the 3-minute because I just don't know if you'll get it.
I don't think I'm gonna get it.
I don't even know if you're gonna get the 5 to be honest.
It's fucking
If this candle engulfs the previous.
motherfucker. Pray for the gap.
No, that 2 candle sequence right there is so bearish, by the way.
I know.
That engulfing after the wick.
It's too
That's a lower time frame. That's a lower time frame CSD. Look at the 1 minute. It's a continuation off a gap, yeah.
Is that a fees that I'm hearing? Yeah.
I think that 5 minutes is showing you like a lower time frame CSD propulsion block. When does a 50-minute candle close? Oh, it's still 10 minutes left. The thing is, bro, like, you probably don't want to see this 15-minute candle flip all the way back to the gap, so you're probably not going to get filled.
If we trade through this low, then yeah.
You just want to see it flush here. I saw your TikTok. I like when traders like, I want to see it flush when they're in shorts. Like, no fucking shit.
Okay, now I'm canceling my limit. Oh my god.
Yeah, I should just go.
Did anybody take shorts on NQ higher up into the range?
Yeah, do you kind of just want to see it flush here, or like?
Yeah, I'm in shorts. I want to see it flush to this low.
It's like, no, actually, I prefer just pump.
Like, fuck you mean, bro.
It's fun. I definitely say that too.
I say that all the time. I say that all the time. I say it all the time.
It's kind of hilarious when you call it out there. You're like, yeah, no shit, fucking Sherlock. What do you mean? You want to see it flush?
Or like I'm in longs. I want it to rip through these highs. Yeah,
I
obviously.
don't want it to stall at these highs. Yeah, of course you don't, buddy. You're in fucking longs. Yeah, did you remove your limit?
Yeah.
If the 15-minute candle came back to that, it wouldn't be good.
This was actually so clean.
You could have just shorted the 30-minute open, bro.
No shit.
There was that 1 minute sequence at 8:31. You see that?
Yeah, right here.
With the gap, yeah.
It was a 30-minute SMT fill, guys, with YM running that devil's mark. at 7:30, and then the
And
display is
close with GSP, yeah. The only way you can really fade that higher time frame gap above it is if you have a 2-stage closure.
This is so perfect, bro, because I literally have puts that I'm swinging overnight.
Nice, thanks for the sig, buddy.
I told you.
Actually, you did.
I think that we're gonna go to I think we're gonna go to Monday's low.
Good draw liquidity, I agree. This weekly candle is gonna inside bar, I think. Or no, maybe on 1AM it will. Nasdaq's bearish.
No, yeah, Matt Nasdaq is bearish.
I really don't like shorting the higher time frame structure, but
Yeah, I mean
It is what
it's
it
fucking dog shit. There's nothing that you can do about it.
I'm surprised with how messy the past 2 weeks have been.
Jack's
We had that-
whole symposium.
Oh, true.
The draw is very clean for tomorrow. Yo, if if you're in shorts on NQ, take some off at that low and then hold the runner down to the low here at 28,946.
I would just hold it all for there, bro.
Like literally down, hold it down.
Yeah. Look at your stop loss if you're in 30-minute gap. That shouldn't be revisited.
No.
I wouldn't take anything off at that low, by the way. You're essentially covering this hourly high. And this hourly high is not going to retrace all the way back into that gap if we're bearish.
That is so nice for a draw.
Yeah, just hold it. But, I mean...
No,
Consistency on what-
it could definitely retrace. It could definitely retrace.
Yeah, but then it won't go all the way down to Monday's low then. I think just take it off the lows. It's probably a good idea.
I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I think we're gonna wake up and prices are gonna be down here.
That's super fucking classic, isn't it?
I guarantee we wake up in the morning and price is literally floating right here, like 50 points away from the low here.
Yeah, you should have shorted that 5-minute closure at 8:30.
I should have
Covering
shorted.
the wood
I
pie.
should have just shorted the 1 minute CSD
Boy, that's essentially what it is.
or the 5 minute. Yeah.
If you short 8:35's open and just cover the candle CSD, it's not bad.
No, I would have shorted 8:20.
Oh, yeah, that's ideal, yes.
My God.
Like 8:20 close, you mean? 8:25 open?
Yeah.
Fuck. Yeah, solid.
That was an easy ass draw. If you caught that, GG's.
Did it?
Well, it left
Oh, it's-
relative equal lows. It basically hit it.
Yo, slam it with a mini right now, bro.
No.
You just left equal lows. Slam it, bro. Look at it.
Shut up.
Oh
I'm
my
not
God.
doing
It's
that.
gonna give you an entry. It's gonna give you an entry.
Do you hear
It's
this,
blessing-
chat?
It's blessing you right now, bro.
Do you
Yeah.
hear this?
Chat, tell Matt to slam it, bro. Chat, tell Matt.
How
to
about
slam
you
that.
do it right now?
I say less.
Short low
How
of
about
day
you?
right now with short low day with max contracts. Do minis right now.
All right, well, and it's guaranteed gonna hit.
Do it right now. Short.
10 points. We're at 149. All we need is 138. Chat, tell Matt to do it, and he'll guarantee to get a win.
I'm telling you to do it.
But I'm not on my laptop, my phone.
That's
so-
now you're coping.
I am coping.
Now you're coping.
Okay, fine. If we did print a 5-minute gap though here, would you short it?
You hear this projection, chat?
All right, brother. What if we print a 5-minute gap? You gonna short?
No. I'm not
Can you
shorting
pull
low
up?
of day. You would call me a good boy?
There it is. I was waiting for
Yeah,
it.
exactly.
I was waiting for my chance to call you a
Yeah,
good
short
boy.
low a day. Call me good. Yeah, fuck no. Who do you think I am?
I thought
Yeah.
you might mess up just once and do it.
Fuck no.
He's nuts. Bro becoming ICT. Now me and Matt have a joke of shorting low of day.
Shorting low of day and longing high of day.
Yeah, that's good boy behavior. No, yeah, that 5-minute CSG at 8:30 was or 8:20 was solid.
Do you guys understand though why we wanted this low? Does it make sense?
I mean, technically speaking, if it comes into the 5-minute gap, it's not low of day. Okay, Matt, what about this? What if we create a 30-minute gap here and we retrace it?
Yeah, I would do that.
Oh,
If we create a sequence out of the 30-minute gap down.
I would support that shit, honestly. You know Dodgy would be in this 1 minute short, though, to the lows right now.
100%. So the daily candle, we opened high. We had an SMT at the previous 4-hour candle highs from 10 to 2 p.m. Then we had the daily candle open. Did we create created a it was a 30-minute. Yeah.
SMT Pro, 2-stage, yeah.
Yeah. We had a we had a 2-stage at the highs on the 30-minute, and then we had this sequence from this SMT fill inside of this gap with
You don't want to create the reversal because the reversal is low key not from a key level, so you wait for the gap continuation, then SMT fill.
and then boom, yeah.
Because the previous, like, it wasn't like the previous day high we made the high day from, so you just want to avoid trading the reversal.
Brandon,
YM should trade high, honestly.
Brandon, I'm waiting for you to send me a song. You said that you were gonna send me a song, bro.
He's too big to take him to store, bro.
Hold on. All right. What should I play? Ooh, well, I'm going to see Rufus this weekend.
I saw Rufus in Vancouver, actually. He played here during World Cup. Hear that song?
Wait, Brandon, where did you text it to me? Or did you send it on Discord? Brandon, I didn't get anything from you, bro. Down.
Yeah, I saw Rufus in Vancouver, man. He was here for World Cup.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, it was actually pretty fire.
Yeah, no, Rufus is insane.
Kind of looks like me. Yo, short this 5-minute gap on God, bro.
Stop telling me what to do. I don't see a link in chat, bro.
It's not low day, bro.
Bro.
Yo, Matt, do it. It's coming into the gap right now. Do it.
No.
It's giving you a gift.
You shoot. You short it. You short low a day.
Oh man.
Short low of day
It's
right
not
now.
low. It's not low of day technically.
It's low of this daily candle right now.
Tell Matt this 5-minute gap will guarantee give him the low. Though.
Bro, honestly, report a fees for scamming.
Yo, it's going. Look, it's going. It just went.
I don't care.
Okay,
I'm not shorting this.
Why? Let me call you a good boy.
Are you fucking kidding me? What do you
Let
mean
me
do
call
this?
you a good boy
you
once.
want me to do this?
Well, I'm not looking at you.
You want me to do this?
Yeah, do that, please.
You're fucking you're trolling.
Feed me dancing on Instagram in the subway, do not redeem. I think it's so funny, bro. It's actually valid though, no?
It's sure. Yeah, probably. It's probably gonna work. I guarantee it works.
I actually don't think it will. I think we're gonna print the 30-minute gap. I'd be so down to trade 30-minute gap.
It feels like I'm on my knees.
If I have a better idea. If we inverse the 5-minute gap, you go long. What about that? What about that?
Okay.
Deal? You have to.
No.
What? Technically, if we inverse it, it's like it's a good trade.
Then I would have Dodgy calling me a donut.
I heard IFVGs are good.
It's like I'm on my knees again.
Someone in the chat said my grandma wouldn't even take it. That's funny. A few more YouTube videos, yeah, bro, definitely. I will. I have one coming out this week. Kind of rage bait price action though, freaking not low. If you were in short right now, how would you feel?
I would be probably pulling the hair out of my head.
So honestly, that means you should, because there's lots of people who think that way.
No.
That is kind of good logic though when you think about it. Watch, they're gonna run it all the way back up to 835.
Ooh. That'd be fire, actually. Then we can get in.
Coming along right now, I think.
On my knee. Ooh. Not gonna lie, if I get out of this hospital, then I'm going last minute. Bet. I literally tell my boy to be like, yo, send the ticket back right now. Some music.
Yeah, the 5 minute is redeeming right now. It's going lower.
Yo, should we stay up all night and catch a sequence down to the low? Because it's going to trade down to the low overnight.
The answer is yes, but we shouldn't. I'm actually quite bullish on Dow for tomorrow.
When we're together.
Did you see Dow Jones? I want Dow Jones to take out previous day high. We failed to manipulate that high. You see how we come in and we focus on retracement, but it's more or less just consolidation?
All right, well, at least target NQ down to those lows.
Yeah, I'm still not a huge fan of trading into coupled, but yeah. The structure has been pretty clean on Nasdaq for shorts, but I just wasn't bearish. That's the thing.
I wasn't
That was
bearish
my
today
problem.
at all.
Yeah, that was my problem. Like if you look at the 4-hour chart, the structure has been moderately clean. I just haven't been bearish the past week, but I've actually managed to take some pretty good winning trades, like short.
Guys, did you take
Trade-
shorts? Did anybody take shorts today? Anybody take shorts on indices today? Primarily NQ or yes?
Yeah, shorts today were clean.
Mm-mm-mm.
That you guys get those Trump wick in your favor? Anyone get positively slipped? I've never seen it happen before.
One person in my Discord got positively slipped.
Damn.
Everybody else got regular fill on their shorts.
I was in that YM strength switch long up. I don't know if anyone took that. Yeah, you take that long on YM strength switch up the lows. I got raised by the Trump wick. Yeah, 1800 on NQ.
Nice go. And then Rohan, Trump wick perfectly hit midnight open. That was your TP. Nice. Good shit, bro.
All right, Matt. The 5 minute closed as a bearish candle. Short this next candle.
No.
Don't say I never tried to give you the signal. I just gave you a 1 hour trade. You know my boy would have taken that.
Who's your boy?
I can't. For political reasons, I cannot speak on names. But you know my boy would have taken that, right?
Why didn't you take it?
Because I can't short low day like a good boy.
Exactly.
But it was valid, by the way. That gap was valid.
Let's
Shorting
see.
that gap and covering the previous 5-minute high.
Stop justifying this to them.
Yeah, I got that. I'm completely trolling. By the way. You can never short that. Yeah. I'm trolling. One-to-one is completely sustainable. Yeah. Lots of people make money trading one-to-one. By the way, lots. Asymmetric risk to reward really helps if you have a system that can capitalize on expansion. If you don't, if your system is typically trading like all market profiles and volatility regimes, then one-to-one R is typically better actually. Actually, a lot of traders, very good scalpers, use negative R systems. One of the best scalpers in the world uses a negative R system because he doesn't look to trade like expansion. He just trades any sort of like volatility regime.
Yeah.
I would recommend like focusing on trading expansion in the market. That's where that asymmetry of your upside and higher RR really does give you that expectancy, but it's not required. For a lot of people, especially retail traders, they just like to be in and out of the market quickly.
Guys, if you're in shorts, bro, hold this down to the fucking low.
Yeah, don't take anything off with that 138.
Literally hold this down to these lows, bro.
Hold it down to Monday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fucking solid, bro. Alright, Matt, I have an idea for you right now.
Oh my god.
Do you know what I'm gonna say?
What?
Short this 5-minute candle that closes through the liquidity.
No.
Cover the 5-minute candle high. What's that called? What's that strategy called?
I don't
Yo, someone in chat, what's that called? Where you short a candle that closes through like a swing high or low, with like a strong close, and you put your stop loss at that high or low. There's an actual strategy. Is it called a breakout?
I don't know.
Fuck. There's an actual name for it. Oh yeah, break and retest. Yeah, wait, never mind. You have to wait for the retest. My bad. I'm trolling. Fuck.
Actually, the most disrespect. It's the most I don't even want that entry to be on my trade evade.
To be on what? Call it the good boy short. Kronos is right. I did actually. Yo, we should label that 5-minute gap the good boy short.
You take this to that, the good boy short, and then target 1-to-1.
Yep. Yo, break and retest actually. Okay, so what you do is you wait for price to retest the wick, 138, and then you short it. Is that how it works?
I don't know.
Should we try it?
No.
Why? Let's have fun, bro. Yo, my good boy short is printing right now.
Did anybody take the good boy short?
Did anyone take that 5-minute gap at 840? You know there's some ICT trader out there who's gonna LARP this being like, it left equal lows, it was a perfect short.
100%.
You know ICT would LARP that himself.
Probably.
He'd be like, my algorithm, I've coded up all these signatures, hidden to the masses.
He would have called it. He would have said the silver bullet, and it's in plain sight.
Yeah, literally, he would have LARPed it so hard.
Yeah.
And then someone in the comments would ratio him by saying, good boy, nice short at low of day. Tory took it and made 1.2 trillion. Broken retest in quotes. Is that what it's called? D-book? I think that's what it's called, like a break and retest.
It is.
That's just cooking right now.
B and R.
What's orb? That's the 15-minute candle, right? At the opening ring? Like 9:30?
I think so.
Yo, that shit's actually pretty decent though. I've seen some people trade that with pretty big size. You know, names who can't be named and whatnot. All right, Matt, I have another great idea for you. Want to hear it?
YM is still holding, bro. Yeah, what is it?
There's a 5-minute gap printing below the liquidity. I say we short it.
I'll short it if I hear order filled from your thing.
Really? Bet. I'll do it on a personal account. I'll do it on like 1 minute on a personal account. We're gonna wake up and Nasdaq's gonna be at like Monday's low.
We're gonna wake up and it's gonna be already hit.
This is so one-sided, by the way. Holy, look at the daily candle. Look how small the wick is.
I know it's over.
Yo, you see that daily gap actually? Tuesday, August 4th.
Yes.
That's a decent draw. I actually don't mind the monthly open here either, to be honest, on Nasdaq.
This is the draw. This is the draw, and then we can come down lower into this. Yeah.
I like the monthly open, that new month open, like that new opening gap in the monthly open.
This is actually so bearish, bro. Oh my god.
I know. But dude, the structure is actually interesting because I want to see YM run out all-time highs to form that spaced out SMT. They actually already did. You see that? Low key it did. Yo, look at the YM structure though, bro. It looks very bullish.
YM hasn't moved in literally the past over 100 points that NQ and ES have. Or
No, I'm saying look like the daily chart on YM.
Oh yeah.
Very different. It's spaced out to coupling right now for sure. So we're gonna get some sort of resync. I mean, I'm bullish overall, so it could be a good buying opportunity for Nasdaq maybe at the monthly low.
Honestly, bro, the move should have been shorting the 5-minute gap on ES to catch up to break the SMT with NQ.
If he's taking a minimum 50 trades a day, nah, I take like 1 or 2, bro. Except for my break and retest strategy. That one, I don't know that one. That one's my secret one.
Standing next to me.
What'd you say? Taking ES to do what?
Taking the 5-minute gap on ES at the 5-minute gap that you wanted to short NQ.
Oh, so shorting low day on ES.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was actually SMT fill in that 5-minute gap. You see it on Nasdaq?
Yeah.
Low key, it wasn't a bad short on Nasdaq. You should have taken it.
Shut up.
It would have just been a good boy trade. That's all.
Feel you standing next to me.
Yo, long right now to EQ this ring.
I'm longing NQ at 29.73.
What do you think?
I'm longing the 4-hour rejection block.
There you go. I'm bullish on YM's previous day high, or not previous day high, but that 4-hour high.
Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Feel you standing next to me.
Yo, we have S&P at the previous hourly low. Okay. Yo, honestly, long right now, bro, and target all those highs. There's a TikTok trader who's out there doing that right now.
What is wrong with you?
I'm trolling today. I don't know what's wrong with me.
What is wrong with you?
It's been a long day, bro. I don't know.
What lesson would you suggest to get 10K per month solely from prop trading? Well, ask yourself, one, are you attainable or able to get a payout across one prop firm?
Account.
One prop firm and one account.
He's on the rings. I actually am the demon on his right shoulder.
Yeah, I know.
Yo, I have a YouTube video on getting a 10K a month from prop trading.
That's
And
actually
essentially what
that's
Magic
actually a
does.
very good video that you should probably link in the chat.
They can just go to my channel.
They'll find it.
Just go watch that video. It's essentially what Matt just said though. If you can get one account, then you can scale up.
Bro, I want him to be in my TikTok live and fade me tomorrow.
Who?
This kid Sean Myers. He fades all TikTok live stream traders. He literally got
Oh, really?
paid. I think he's like 13 for 13 trades fading TikTok
Really?
live streamers.
Oh, I should take like an A+ sequence and go on TikTok live and watch that guy get fucking railed by trying to fade me.
Try this.
Matt, I'm not gonna lie. I did
Actually,
give you the long signal.
somebody is long right now on TikTok.
I did give you the long signal. Chat, I'm not completely trolling. I gave you guys a long signal to 29,163. And I gave you guys signal at 29,127. Study.
What is this song?
Look, the minute I say that, it puts in like a 40-point wick. Yo, Matt, is that guy that we saw still holding all-time high longs?
Yes.
That's brutal.
Uh-huh.
He sat through it. I think he'll still be fine, but
What is that song?
Could be too early.
Try and miss.
if you take my signal on longs, that's 2-minute gap, unfilled gap. That's the Patrick and Blake model. What's that called? What do they call that model again? The mech model?
The mech model.
I think this is the mech model, actually. It's SMT the previous candle low.
The amount of TikTok live streamers that are in longs right now is actually insane.
Really? It actually is not terrible.
No, like
It's pretty bad.
there's
It's
so
pretty bad,
many,
but-
bro. There's so many people that are live on TikTok that are in longs right now.
If you're trolling, chill out. Yeah, I'm just trolling, guys. I'm just trolling. This mech model. 29,163 is the microcycle high. I don't actually use like microcycles and stuff on QT.
Look at this one.
I don't use QT cycles.
This guy looks
whatsoever.
depressed because he literally got bottom ticked out. Now it's running higher.
That's so funny. I mean, Marcus can't expand forever, bro.
He's so depressed.
Yeah, you want to take my signal?
Might be.
Matt, did you take my signal?
No, I didn't take your signal, and I hope nobody else did.
Yeah. But okay, the only valid trade is actually YM here, though. YM's actually looking much better.
Try
Why am I
and
nice to SMT?
miss.
No, Matt, look at YM. Look at YM.
I see it.
It's actually valid.
What is that song, bro? Is it Max Dean?
A fee sounds like that do not redeem guy from that one YouTube video. That feels racially motivated. I agree. Are you being racist now?
It might be.
Damn. Yo, chat, let's ban this guy. Matt, am I echoing because of your Discord? Maybe.
It just sounds like an echo.
Oh, okay. The chat is so funny. This has to be racially motivated. BM, it is.
Leave Gur Gavin alone.
Oh my god. I'm gonna hop off, guys. I'll see you later.
Bro, since you released that information, bro, you're not gonna live that down.
This is the best the Feast ever sounded. My mic's usually out, I guess. Yeah. Alright guys, we should ban you should just ban the word Gavin from your chat. I actually fucked up there. That was bad.
YM is actually like bear expanding right now.
I know, YM looks good. I'm actually not trolling with the YM longs guys. The NQ longs are obviously troll, but YM looks very good. I did take YM.
No, you did not.
No joke. Yeah, I actually did. I'll show you. I took YM like in the 8 p.m. candle though.
In a 30-minute PSP?
That like in bro, yeah. Well, YM's quite one-sided actually. But I've been saying I've been bullish on YM, so I'm looking for previous day high on YM. Yeah, bro should have taken that to the grave.
I should have just faded every single TikTok trader and just shorted NQ there.
The long NQ is so fucking. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, careful.
Yeah. Long NQ is fucking dumb. Do you swear? Do you say shit like that in your stream? No.
Yeah, but I've said it on TikTok and I get banned.
Oh really?
But if I'm on Discord, I say whatever the fuck I want.
Yeah. You gotta be careful. My bad.
Dude, you should have seen my TikTok chat when I was dropping fucking Jewish flags and shit.
Yeah, I remember those. I remember those. Yeah.
I was putting like I was in like RTY shorts, and I had like I was dropping the flags and shit.
Yeah.
Like here, bro, people were getting so mad. And I'm like, bro, it's a fucking joke. Like, literally, go cry about it. Like, people are like, do you support Israel? Do you support genocide? Like, fuck you and fuck off. Like,
Yeah,
actually,
know,
like,
people
you're a
so dumb.
fucking pussy. Like.
Ayub, I'm telling you, PDH on YM. Study. Wake up tomorrow and you'll see YM at PDH. We're failing to manipulate that high. But I'm not going to hold all the way to PDH, obviously. I'm just going to hold it to the 4-hour
high. Nice sig, bro.
I literally said, by the way, I said
Chat,
word for word long YM.
Chat. Fact check Afiz right now.
Yeah. Go in the recap. Go in the live stream. Go to 8:15.
Fact check Afiz. Did Afiz say go long on YM?
Yes, I did. I literally said long. I said unironically, longs on YM are clean.
Did he say long YM? Chat.
Yes, I did. Chat, go confirm.
Someone.
You said short YM, long NQ? No, that's such cap.
Nope, that's not
cap.
I believe them too.
Yeah, did I? Okay. There's no winning. Cancel phase.
Hey Matt, would you be looking for a new 4-hour candle plus SMT for possible silver longs? Yeah, it could be opportunity. I think that it's going to print overnight. Like if silver closes as an up close candle in this 4-hour too, you can create a PSP inside of the gap, and then it could actually be a long to these relative equal highs. That actually doesn't look bad.
Let me look.
Like if silver closes up close.
Silver structure looks decent.
I actually think that it could be a good long.
Kronos is actually so accurate. He said many things. Who knows what he actually meant? That's true. I'm pretty sure at one point in time I was telling Matt short low of day.
Short low of day, break and retest, like.
Yeah, I was trolling a bit too hard. That's all I'm telling me. Fair.
So fun.
So if you go back to the very beginning of the stream, I said I'm like YM's very good.
Actually, bro, this is definitely gonna print overnight. I guarantee it.
Silver?
Yeah, it's gonna close as a PSP on the 4-hour, and it's gonna rip higher. If this 30-minute, yeah, it's definitely gonna expand. I think should be good.
It just like the higher time frames look so bad, dude. See how yesterday's candle took out PDH and PDL?
Yeah, I know. I just like those highs.
I also do, yeah, but I still like the higher time frame structure. Oh, actually, we have a strength switch PSP in the gap with gold, bro. On the daily.
Yeah, it looks good.
Low key, it's consolidating still though.
Think about you. I think these highs are so clean on silver.
I think the higher time frame highs on gold are also clean actually.
Yeah.
I had a fire alarm in my building for the Tradeify stream, so I had to be outside.
All
Unfortunately,
the time.
I will be back on Thursday. Kind of unfortunate timing.
Bro, low key, I'm probably gonna end up staying up and watching silver.
Are you actually?
I mean, if I take it, I'm gonna stick it in the Discord. It looks so.
Yeah.
It looks so clean. There's definitely, dude. If we expand higher overnight, you're gonna tell me right now there's not gonna be a sequence to run these highs. Especially
The only trade I really liked for Asia, bro, was YM. That shit. I like YM to previous day high, bro. Seriously.
does look good. Like honestly, I don't. Why do these people on TikTok like? What are you taking from this low?
They're actually longing Nasdaq. I thought you were
Yes,
rolling.
bro. I'm being dead ass.
Look at the 4-hour candle they're longing.
They're longing. They're like, what are you doing? Well, it's the
Well,
peop- bro,
it's better than buying high of day. They're trying to buy low of day.
bro. It's the people that are like setting limits. Like, bro,
Oh, like didn't you go through a time with like Keyflow and Desi where you were doing that shit though too?
doing what?
Like setting limits at like specific fib levels overnight.
I would just have them sig me.
That never worked, did it?
No, it did.
Really?
I
So
would-
that shit actually works?
I would only take key flows. Bro, I was there.
That's-
If you go through my Instagram, I was literally top and bottom taking trades.
Really? I actually have never. I always thought that shit was complete ass. Like the idea of like setting a limit at a price like 12 hours before, like, and then just letting
Dude,
it hit.
this is so funny. Like, motherfuckers long in the first 1 minute up close candle they see.
Yo, give YM 4-hour highs. This YM 50-minute candle put in work, bro.
Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, no, that was actually an insane closure. Bam, 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 bam. Dude, I think silver's gonna go. I think it's so good.
Are you gonna like just positionally buy it? Do we get a 15-minute strength switch at the lows? We do not. Wait for the 30-minute close.
I think it's gonna be so clean.
Actually, wait for a gap, bro.
Yeah, well, that's what I want to do. That's what I want to do overnight.
You could wait for a 15-minute gap here, actually. It's not bad because we're opening up with no wick.
It's actually decent.
It's actually very decent. The problem is we have no SMT at the lows, bro.
I know
Do
that's
we?
the only issue. No, there's no SMT
Yeah.
lows.
Yeah. It's better to wait for a higher time frame gap then.
That's why I said stay up overnight. This 4-hour
Check
candle.
the 4x cross. Check the 4x cross and see if we're going to SMT the lows.
I don't want to fucking do that.
Just check it quickly. See, just check Xiao Euro and Xiao GP.
Bro just said gel.
XAU. What's the logic for YM long? It's just a phase of price. YM wasn't reversing off of the previous daily high. It stayed very high in the range, so it's so you can see like the 4-hour highs are equal highs, right? On the lower time frame, 15-minute chart.
Check yields and bonds and the treasury and the 30-year.
Shut up, bro. You do have to check like Xiao Euro and Xiao GBP for swing points though on gold and silver sometimes.
Bam, 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 bam. I should have just fucking pre-fired this. The 4-hour BSP.
Is there a 4-hour PHP?
It's gonna be.
on gold.
It's gonna it should close the PSP on the 4 hour for silver.
You could. That's a. It's just you want a swing point to qualify that closure, right? That's still a 162.
Yeah, so
Well,
it'll be a 15-minute candle closure.
Yeah. Or like the lowest time frame is 15. You could also use hourly, 30, 90 minute, whatever.
Yeah.
The problem is like when you have one stage, it's better to wait for a gap and expansion away and then just trade a redistribution higher in the range. Because you're gonna be holding for the daily highs, right?
Bro. Yeah.
Yeah.
This shit gonna pump, bro. This shit gonna pump. This shit gonna pump. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum.
I mean, you could if you're confident in that 4 hour low on silver, you could position along it, but I just wouldn't. I don't think it's a valid sequence. But that low resistance highs, bro, is fucking solid. Very solid.
It's so clean. This is literally so clean. It's gonna cut through that chip.
What the fuck is Jackson Hole Symposium? Is that do the market? Every year I trade it during that week, I never really know what the volatility is about or when to expect anything.
So basically, it's a press conference, and it gives let me mute this.
Isn't it kind of like G7 or whatever?
It gives a sentiment as to what the Fed plans on doing with rates.
Oh.
So basically, like with what they say at the press conference, it's gonna give us an idea if we're gonna cut or a hike.
True.
Which will then lead us into what happens in the month of September.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Volatility drivers have not done anything for the market in comparison to like Trump tweets in the past 6 months.
Yeah.
Like actually, it's insane. Like CPI candle will move the market less than like a 10:14 a.m. Trump tweet.
Bro goes, how does Blood not know about Jackson's hole? I'd be preying on the downfall of the economy because I am not buying a Tesla Cybertruck for $100,000. When they fit.
Yeah, listen to this. When I was in college, I did an internship at Tesla, and I got 50% off of a Model 3, even though I only worked at Tesla for 2 months, 3 months.
Are you serious?
Isn't that fucking crazy?
Are Cybertrucks actually going for $100K? Order now. No, I don't want to.
Yeah, my stops are break even online.
I want a fucking Model Y.
For those wondering, I'm not gonna get round trip like 3R.
Oh my god, it's peeling back. It left those relatively highs. What the fuck?
Yeah, my stops are the devil's mark, by the way.
Oh my god.
That's like classic YM behavior.
It literally devil's marked the open and then there's a devil. Oh my god.
It devil's marked taking a devil's mark the 9 p.m. open and then devil's mark the 9:15 open.
That's actually insane.
It's actually insane, yeah.
Bro, I don't want to see a Model Y. Show me a different fucking car.
Yo, isn't that fire? I got my Tesla for 50% off, even though I only worked for like a 3-month internship.
That's actually massive.
And guess what? My internship was 100% online. Because it's COVID.
Okay, here we go. Vehicles. Cybertruck.
Look, yeah, he's giving one of the computer as an asset calculator. I did a fully online internship and I got a 50% off the car. It's fucking sick.
The Cyber Beast is $100K. What the fuck is the difference between a Cyber Beast? Compare all models.
Yo, BM, do you end up getting that GT4 RS we were looking at? Yo, BM and I are gonna whip the same car, man.
Yo, Cybertruck is actually tough. I drove one in Lodi, but it just feels like you're driving a tank. It's pretty cool. The wheels just sound like fucking scrunchies.
I only took one trade today, bro. I was just trolling, man. This guy thinks I took every one of those trades.
It's so awesome.
The best one was the break and retest, no?
Guys, I think silver is going to be such a beauty overnight. Like, literally, I think it's going to be so clean. Universal sequence from the gap. That'd be, oh, it'd be so nice. The Cyber Beast is, yeah, the Cyber Beast is 100K. The other ones are, I mean, dual motor all-wheel drive is 75. Premium all-wheel drive is 85. The fuck is the difference between these fucking wheels? Shit is so clean. I think Dodgy has the Cyber Beast. That's the one that he has wrapped with his IFVG shit all over it. Wait, are you serious? You're planning on moving to Boca? Dude, all of my boys live in Boca and Del Rey. Yo, look at BM, look at the concert. It's triple point. Or 3 points. Wait, what is it? How many eyes? It's here. It's triple I. It's 3 points, Miami. Friday, October 16th to Saturday, the 17th. Why can't I paste this, bro? It actually looks so proper. Bum, 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 bum. Where did this fucker go? Head trip right after. Dude, I think that this is literally going to get rinsed. I wish we got a 30-minute gap on ES. We didn't even get a 15-minute gap on ES. Did it retrace? It didn't retrace into anything. Bum, 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 bum. Who's still holding those NQ shorts? He went to go buy some. Bro, I think that we go all. This is such a clean draw, bro. This is such a clean draw. If you're in shorts, bro, hold it to these fucking lows. The Asia lows here. The Asia lows here and these lows, bro, hold that shit. Or just hold it until fucking ES runs out these lows too. So clean. Yeah, good Maddox fire. Good shit. The daily candle being the inside bar was such an obvious draw on liquidity. BM, you're doing 29,706. $29.76. Yes, baby. Wait, 79? Or wait, what? Wait, you mean 2976, not 29706. 2973. If you bottom tick Sigma, on this, bro, we got a table at Head Trip with our names on it. Down. What do we go for, a 1 to 3? Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, guys, I gotta show you some crazy shit that I've been working on. With one of my, well, actually with Kieran in the Discord. Let's see if this works. Open the panel on the bottom of the trade. Oh my god, YM actually came back to his break even. That's actually insanity. Look at this shit, guys. It's a work in progress. But I'm gonna showcase you guys like the little work, the work behind it. See how on the, I don't know if you guys can see this. On the right here. Can you guys see these buttons? Let me know. Should be able to see it now. So pretty much, let's say if I get into a position or if I wanted to watch this. I'm gonna, let's do it on, let's pull up like ES here. It's like a automated journal for your trading that's already onto the charts. So instead of like screenshotting a screen and then going into your Notion or your TradeZella and like viewing the chart there, if I take a trade and I'm like, let's say if I go short on ES like this, and then let's say I close it out here, this will automatically show a tool as to what I did, showing me that I went short, my emotions during it, my model, the grade of the setup, the entry time frame, and then I hit save. And then immediately goes into the platform of the journaling software. Now watch this shit. It should pop up, but you're going to get an AI coach that pretty much alerts you when you're doing shit that you know you shouldn't be doing. Over trading, over risking, and doing all the bad habits that you're supposed to be avoiding in your trading. So it'll like ping you and alert you and be like, okay, you usually take one trade a day. Why are you executing fucking 5 trades back to back within the span of 15 minutes? There's a bunch of shit, but it's an it's a Chrome extension journal that is on the charts for you guys. And it is free. Shows your P&L, your trades, your win rate. And you can create your own entry model checklist, all that sort of stuff. It is the easiest form of journaling anybody could ever possibly do. All for free. Bum, bum, bum. All for free. It's not out yet. There's still some like beta testing that we're still working on. Oh, we can implement a good boy button. I can make the AI. I can make the AI coach say, "You just shorted low of day, good boy." After I take the execution, or "You just longed high of day." That's a good boy. Make it think like the AI coach is me watching you trade and giving you comments on your trading. I said, I feel anxious in my trading right now. What should I do? Gives me a whole answer and everything. I hear you. Trading anxiety is real and worth taking seriously, but here's the honest thing: your journal is completely empty right now. So no imported trades, no quick captures, blah 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 blah. So it doesn't really have anything, but it will give you everything that you need based off of the data you are giving it. If I ever let you go. And also, something that I'm implementing for you guys as well is I am gonna have Kieran, because obviously he's in Asia, on certain days of the week, or at least whenever he has availability, like 1 or 2 days throughout the week. He's gonna live stream on my YouTube channel during Asia session or during London session. So obviously while I'm asleep, for the people that are up during London, he's going to be on my YouTube channel if setups look very good. And his win rate during London is fucking filthy. So he is going to be on my YouTube channel live streaming and also showcasing the journaling software. So that'll be coming up in either next week or the following week. So we're gonna have all sessions active. No, he's not boring. Where are you from, bro? Are you in London or Trade London? What did Silver do? Silver still looks good, bro. It actually, there's no SMT still. I'm not kidding, bro. I think that this is going to be a beauty overnight. I think this is gonna be a beauty overnight. Silver should be fucking gas. Once we get that SMT, bro, it's gonna be clean. This is exactly what we want. We want us to see. We want to see that 4-hour PSP print inside of that gap, and then we want to see price expand away from this low, and then create a sequence from a gap, a 30-minute gap primarily, and then long it to these relative equal highs up here. That's gonna be fire. Oh, okay, word. Where are you at in Texas? Dallas, Houston. I know a lot of people in Dallas. Yo, Cal, keep an eye out on Silver, brother. Get me. Body, look at me. This should be a very, very good move. Look at me. It's me. Just want to see a sequence from a gap. Everybody look at me. Look at me. Oh, tough. No, I don't think that it'll be bad tomorrow, honestly, bro. I think that tomorrow should be like half decent. I think that with the draw being that low on indices, like these open draws lower, bro, I think that tomorrow will actually be clean. He's gonna stream on my YouTube channel, bro. Look at me. at me. I think that this will be a very good draw on liquidity for tomorrow, my friends. I think that silver longs are going to cook overnight too, bro. I think they're going to be fire. All you got to do is wait for a gap to print out, trade away from this low, bro, and it's gonna be so smooth. That draw is so fucking clean, like literally so clean. This is something that like I might be staying up for. Wait for a sequence from a gap. That is so fire. 4 hour close at a PSP in the next 15 minutes. Mint. Also, tomorrow should be clean too for Asia. Why? Because Wednesday, what do we have after close? We have Nvidia earnings. So the market's going to be fucking moving crazy after hours. And if we have Nvidia earnings, we're going to have a decent idea of direction, whether it's long or short. So tomorrow's Asia session will probably cook too. Look at me. What's YM doing? Damn, YM completely flipped that shit. Oh my god. The fact that it left relative equal highs is crazy, bro. I can't believe that thing left relative equal highs. Bum, 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 bum. Matt, I love you, dude, and appreciate you, what you did for us, but why are you letting... That's first of all, that's none of my business, and I have respect for Brandon, so that's something that I'm not speaking upon, and I don't believe that either. And I don't like talking bad about other people, especially that I'm close with, bro. Respectfully, bro. Not the reason why I know a feast. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna lie. If we were in longs on YM, bro, and this happened, and like I mean, these gaps are fucking ridiculous. And you probably would have longed like this. But my god, that is heinous. That is heinous. That's completely fucked. It's also a very bold statement to call somebody a scammer, brother. And I can assure you that is not what Brandon is. I don't like throwing around that term. That candle gonna close as a PSP. Let me tell you that right now, son. Silver gonna pump to that high. Silver gonna pump to that high. I'm telling you right now. That draw really do be spicy. That draw really do be spicy. The ES short did not require NQ to run it. No. So that short actually all stemmed from that 30-minute bearish SMT fill right here with NQ and even ES. See the if I replay price actually show you guys. The whole thing stemmed here. So Asia opened up at 8 o'clock. And that 30-minute, actually, I'll replay one more candle here. So if you're just looking at this chart as just before price has already done what it's doing, what are you going to assume? First layer of business is what's the draw on liquidity? What's price most likely going to gravitate towards? What is the open draw? The only open draw on liquidity that we have for price is that external low right here, right? There's no fair value gap that can kind of use price as a reversal point. There's really nothing there. All you have is an external low. Now Asia opens up and we open high on YM and we open high into a devil's mark at, we're also mooning on silver, by the way, guys. We're fucking ripping. This is beautiful. This is literally beautiful. We have that open high with the Dow Jones running this resting low here. The devil's mark. Actually, hold on. I need to literally fucking... This is amazing in every single possible way. Oh my god. This is fucking printing, bro. Bro, guys, this is going to clean out those highs, I'm telling you right now. This is literally going to rinse those fucking highs, bro. Bum, 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 bum. Right. Back to what I was saying though. Create the SMT fill at that devil's mark high resting here. And then we have the SMT fill here with silver, or with, sorry, not with silver, with YM and NQ. You go down to a lower time frame sequence. You would have had to execute into this position at like a 1 minute CSD. Either up here or here. Or 5 minute. And then you target the lows. Ah, my brain. Same. Brain. Matt, if the 4 hour closes a PSP, what if the gap you look for? 30 minute. It's going to. It's going to close as a PSP in the next 7 minutes. It's going to close as a PSP, and then you guys long that bitch. It's gonna go higher. It's literally gonna run to these highs. Little bit. I don't think. You're good, Brandon, bro. You don't need to apologize, bro. Todd, look for a sequence out of a 15-minute or a 30-minute gap. This is actually so fucking clean. $15-minute gap continuation or 30-minute. But draw on liquidity is like literally screamingly obvious. This is gonna rip right through these highs, bro. Bro, low key. I look at the daily. If the daily really wants to expand, this is SMT break at these highs. At that daily high, that daily external. Low key. Yeah. This could actually be a monster trade. Did anybody take a positional entry? Oh my god, 17. There's 17 likes in the fucking chat, guys. Come on. Guys, it takes 2 seconds to like the stream. You did 9:15 open? Fucking gas. This is like actually so perfect. I'll do a $100 giveaway at the stream tomorrow night. But this, I need this stream to also get 100 likes too, minimum. Oh, this is literally gonna go, bro. I'm also gonna have my brother on stream tomorrow because I'm teaching him how to trade from A to Z. Fresh start. Oh wow, we're not even gonna get that fucking that PSP. We're just gonna have a fucking buster candle. Guys, this draw is so obvious on silver. It's literally gonna rip to it. I gotta put Paul on, bro. I gotta put Paul on, son. But yo, guys, this is the move. Continuation long, 15-minute gap, hopefully 15-minute gap on silver longs. And then even beyond that, there's still this draw on liquidity all the way up here at these daily highs. Why these daily highs? Because these daily highs have already been taken on gold all the way down here. Silver has what job to do here? Silver has the job to catch up and break the SMT. So if we can get a trade through this high, the draw on the, like, let's say price runs through this high overnight, price can still go higher for an open draw at 72,140. And that is the new 4-hour candle open. What a beautiful candle closure there, though. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I think that there's going to be a 30-minute gap, though, that prints out. A 30-minute gap or a 15-minute gap, whatever one of the two. Trade down into that, get a sequence, and then long that shit right to that high. That should be fair, clean. Very, very clean. Very clean, though. But watch out for this, guys. Pay attention. 15 minutes till this 15-minute gap prints at 10:15. If a sequence offers in that gap, long that bitch and target those resting highs. But I hope you guys all have a great rest of your night. I'm going to be live again for Asia session tomorrow. Thank you guys for popping in. And hopefully you guys can all catch a piece of the pie from this opportunity from silver. And if you are in longs on it already, hold that shit. Hold that shit to 70.0775. But see you guys in the stream tomorrow night.